Hi, I just want to go over a couple of setup points on the MT4 trading platform. Mine, of course, is a spread betting platform, but these principles apply equally if you're using a Forex trading account. So I've already got the account downloaded from my broker, which is GKFX, and I double click on it to open up the software. And you can see I get something like this, and you would get something very similar. Waiting for updates, not very good at all. So the first thing I need to do is to pull in the appropriate thing that I'm going to trade, which in my case is Great British Pound US Dollar from this side. So I'll simply left hand click and pull that across, and there it is. It's now on my screen. I just use the button here to increase the size of it, and it still looks a bit crazy. It doesn't look anything like what I would normally use. Well, the thing that will make it change is, first of all, to move it to become not a bar graph, but a candlestick chart. And up on the top bar here, I've got candlesticks. I click on that, and it changes it. Still doesn't make it look very different. What we need to do is to zoom in. Now it's beginning to look more like. Just get it to a level that you're comfortable with. And it still doesn't look like the screen that I've been showing you in the training. So in order to move it to something like that, first of all, we right click anywhere on the screen to get to Properties. Properties comes up, and we now have a choice of colour schemes. I tend to use white for the background, black for the foreground. I can leave the grids as light grey. For bars up, which we're not actually going to use, I would move that to green. And at the bar down, I always use red for down. And bull candles, again, I'll make those green. Bear candles, so that's downward candles, I'm going to use red again. And line graphs, I will use any colour that I please, which just happens to be blue. Volumes, I would tend to put to black, and we're about there. If I press on OK, it now looks something like that which we need to use. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you on setting up this trading screen is how to put the Bollinger Bands in place. And what we do is simply go across to the very top toolbar and look for Insert and Indicators. So then we go for Indicators, Indicators, move the mouse down, we're not pressing any buttons at this level, into the Trend area, and we'll see on the submenu that comes up, Bollinger Bands. Leave the defaults 20 and 2. You can change the colour if you wish. I generally have mine this sort of navy blue, and that's it. Press OK. There they are.